Young Az, press the button, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Press the button, bro. Let's get it going. I don't know what button he's talking about. There's a lot of buttons man can press. Angelo was good. What he saying? But yeah, there's a lot of buttons man can press. We're about to find out what buttons he's talking about, man. Young Az, he's fire. Usually he's fire. He's a little bit more on the, like, you know what I'm saying, auto-tune melodic singing side. So we gonna see if it, you know what I'm saying, if it cool. You know Young Az. What do you think about him? Yeah, man, we gonna get straight into this, man. If you're watching this on YouTube, you're probably watching it late. I ain't gonna lie to you. So click the first link in the description to see the reactions live, bro. And tap it on Instagram because you didn't know that we got banned for 2 weeks. And you don't know that because you're not tapped in. So just tap in, man. It does have a video. Alright, let's get into it. Oh. Okay. I like the beat. Like, be tough. Be tough.
I ain't gonna creep.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
That's a double R. Double R. Really rich.
I ain't gonna
Yanamize! Yo! You know Yanamize? Yo, that's the car nigga. Yo, he be racing with what's that? Oh my god, what's that other dude, bro? Look, Matt Watson. Oh yeah, I'm tapped in. You. I know. Carlisle, yeah, I know. I know. Matt Watson.
Yeah. No tough time never made us humble. Wallahi. I spoke to Goody the other day.
He's talking. Okay.
Gee, I'm pissed by that recall, but it's live. Yeah. Rolling in the crib, yeah. Just me and my dude, yeah. He was gonna bring the Susie, don't like how it shoots, yeah. Now we driving down Louis Way, Bulldog Killer Goose.
Yeah, say that shit again, nigga.
Rolling in the crib.
What?
Just me and my dude.
What?
He was gonna bring the Susie, don't like how it shoots. Now we driving down Louis Way, Bulldog Killer Goose. You on the news, you on the news, yeah. Live a life like mine, yeah. From a life of crime, yeah. But she put a family, my mom won't tell you why, yeah. Thinking now her majesty, they trying to see no trial, yeah. Whipping in the pot, it's rising like Basmati rice, yeah.
Basmati rice. What you know about basmati rice? What you know about jasmine rice? You know what I'm saying? It's rising. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, nigga.
They trying to see no trial, yeah. Whipping in the pot, it's rising like Basmati rice,
Yeah.
Rats up in the building, I see mice in here. These niggas are some pussies, I smell dykes in here.
Damn.
Before I pray to Allah, no one try to rob me cause all my lightning. How they lose their life in here? I came up from them mean streets, free on each, OT, setting fire to bandos, been there a week. I told them other black boys they better go back to London and get the fuck out where I'm trapping or we gon' bring thunder. Yeah. I don't beats like this, I don't even wanna ride. I just wanna talk my pain.
Oh, broski. No, you can't do this for the whole track. No, it was cool for the beginning. Oh, you do it for the bro.
Nah.
Bro, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know why he's giving a speech.
You know what I'm saying, guy? It was cool to begin. Don't get it twisted.
In the beginning,
No. It was very good at the beginning. But brother, you are stretching like you're real flexible. Stretching it, gangy. But change it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Change it a little something.
If I don't say it on the mic, then I might lose my mind. Ain't see my daughter for some time. Cause I've been working, but I got you couple things that changed a life. Yeah. And your mother probably upset how it turned, but it's life.
I'm out here.
No chat, y'all got me. Chat, y'all got me still. Y'all got me. BLM. Oh man.
And your mother probably upset how it turned, but it's live, yeah. Press the button on the range, yeah. Mommy told me I'm insane.
Hold on.
Jake's pulled up at her crib, yeah. She kept it G and didn't say a thing. My sister, she the same, queen. There ain't nothing you can say to me. Oh, I don't ever made to be, yeah, you. Got to click it while I think you got the fidget.
You said what?
Forgot to turn the auto-tune on.
Yeah. Bro, you gotta switch the gear. You're stuck in one, fam. Switch the gear.
Got popped another pill. Yeah, that nigga's supposed to be my little nigga.
Yo, Chad, chill out. He gave up on the floor. He didn't give up. He's trying loud. I think he gave up.
Yeah, that nigga's supposed to be my little nigga. How the fuck he turned into a squirrel? Yeah.
Squill.
My nigga got hit up, I had to pinch myself before I was dreaming this ain't real. No, and you know the band, oh baby, 29 is living life just like a film.
On the range. And press the button on the range.
$100 Jeep, bought a nigga used to sell it in the rain.
Wait, 100 grand Jeep?
And $100 Jeep, bought a nigga used to sell it in the rain.
Okay.
Sell it in the rain. Press the button, press the button, press the button, press the button, press the button on the rain.
Press that button, nigga. Start the whip. God damn. See, now I know he's talking about. He's talking about press the start. I really, okay, I get it. I don't like. There's some parts that were tough. Like it was a little vibe, but he kind of dragged it for the most part. You know what I'm saying? What did you think?
I ain't gonna lie, this shit was ass.
Nigga said press the pause button. It was ass. Like 1 through 10. Like what do you say?
Give me like a 5.
Yo, chill on. Turn it off. They voted. Turn it off.
Yeah,
A 5?
like a 5. Yeah.
Really? I don't like, but in the beginning, like it was a vibe. Yo, 3. Yo, I'll give it like I'll give it like a smooth 4. Oh wait, I'm bugging. I'm capped. I'm not giving it a 4. I'm giving it a 5 actually. I'll give it a smooth 5, 5.5. Cause bro, the beginning was actually a vibe. Like I actually fucked with the beginning, like little instrumental, like little wave type joint. You know what I'm saying? But then he just started, like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Metro retired. Okay. Now Chad, you're just
Now
you
y'all
see
dig,
now
y'all dig.
you see
Y'all dig,
like Chad. Let's calm down, bro. No, okay. All right, yo, Chad, let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below, man. Don't be a month late. Tap in, man. We out of here, gang.